I grew up in Kenya. What inspired me to go into medicine was my parents. My dad was a physician. My mom is a nurse. I really loved the impact they had on people.
I grew up in Columbus, Ohio. I think I wanted to go into some type of STEM career right off. I love the sciences. I love the discovery aspect of it. I was fortunate to be surrounded by a lot of people who cared. I was able to think about being a scientist, about being a physician, a dentist.
Even though my dad and mom were both in healthcare, they didn't insist that, well, you have to do this or the other. All they said was, in whatever you did, you need to do it to the utmost to reach your full potential.
Nothing comes easy. I spent 14 years between ending my dental career and starting my medical practice. So you put things on hold that are worth putting a hold on.
In my line of work, I work with children who are really sick and who end up in what we call the intensive care unit. And having one of those kids come back after they've recovered and visit you with their parent and they're smiling and they're back to themselves, that feeling you have, it just keeps on giving because you've made a difference.
This is like if you have a hard game, you're playing sports, it's a hard game. You may have gotten beat up and hurt, but if you win the game, you feel great at the end.
I can't see myself doing anything else different with my life.
I've never worked a day in my life. Every day I get up and go somewhere, see patients, help patients, and I don't know what else we're here on earth for except to serve others.
If this is the dream that you hold, no one should dissuade you from loving science and wanting to be a doctor. It's important to know that you can do it.